So how did you go from this to this? Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to do these unique ponytails for princesses. Well, if it's your first time coming to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and comment if you found this video useful. So today on my list of things to use, we are using the detangling conditioner. Alright, it makes the braid soft and tangle free. Then the next on the list is the olive oil Sheen. It gives you this shine and glow, make it look pretty. Then the next is our straws. Well, I'll talk more about the straws later on. Then our black band for the ponytail. Then our usual, this is basic of course, but I still want to show you our comb and brush. Then the most important thing, our braids. So I'm using the Lush wild braids for this project. I've already cut it before for previous project, so I'm sorry I couldn't do that on this video. I cut it into 3. Okay, this one that I cut, this part is enough to do 3 unique full ponytail braids like that. So I said we're going to talk about the straw later on. First, we are feathering the braids, then we are going to roll it around the straw. If you can't get this kind of straw, you can buy the normal straw that you use in sipping your drink, or you can get a bamboo skewer. Yes, but I'm using this because this is what I always use for my hairs. It's always available in the house. So you need to feather it so it can get a very, very light tip for your beads. You will later see the reason why I have to do this. I apply a little bit oil Sheen to it to give it this shine before I start rolling it around the straw. So just a little bit cut out. You see the cut I used, that be very small, not that thick, not that small rather. So you go use it around this. You go around the straw like this. It's very easy. Once you get the straw, it's easy to go. So I didn't really put much emphasis on it. Doing another one again so you can see it better. Okay. So you twist and turn, you twist and turn, you twist and turn until you get to the end, and then you roll it around that edge. So that is it. Still doing it again so I can see it more. I don't want to have later questions like, how did you roll it around the straw? It's just a twist and just turn. But make sure that it's equal. Make sure it's equal. Both ends are equal. Please, I'm repeating it again, please. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe because I'll be sharing more do-it-yourself tutorials on my YouTube channel. The next is I'm going to use that conditioner, detangling conditioner you saw earlier on to make it soft. Okay, it keeps it tangle free also. Then apply very hot water. I am someone that always prep my things before doing videos, so I've already boiled the water already and put it in that flask. As you can see, make sure that the water is covering the straws itself because it needs to soak very well in the water. Then leave it for 10 minutes and then dap it dry and sun dry for some hours. Let it be dry before you roll it out. Don't mind me, I'm doing this. I'm just trying to show you how to roll it out, alright? Even though this is not really dried. I just want to show you how to remove it from the straw. And then see the coins. Beautiful, right? Like this is so beautiful. You can do a lot of things with that particular with these coils. You can use it to do a headband, you can use it to do a ponytail, you can do a lot of things. I'll be sharing do-it-yourself videos on how to use this for other use cases. Then next is you pin your bands to it, and then you see the way I did it, right? When you're losing it, the coils, when you're putting it back, you try to make sure you follow the same steps again, as if you are rolling it back the way you saw it before, but a little bit more free so it's not that tight, to give it this volume. You can see it's even looking bigger than the way it was before. So that's all you need to do. It's very, very simple to do. I've done this a lot for my daughter because I'm a mom of a princess too. So I felt like their moms out there, instead of going out and spending a lot of money on making their hair, you can just do this easy peasy ponytail for your girls. Then if you're the type that you're just home, you're looking for a little side hustle, you can go ahead and also do something like this. It's very, very, very profitable. I add it to my business at times. There are moms that order ponytails and they want something for their princess, and I'll always recommend these ponytails. And you see them, wow, I love it. This particular length size is good for 1 year to 8 years. Of course, above 8 years, they want something longer. And then I'm going in with the beads. Now, this is the reason why we have to feather it, so it can have a slim tip for your beads. If you don't feather it, you can't get this slim tip. So you put in your beads very, very, very easy. So if you want to start this as a business, it's easy for you to get. Make sure I'll advise you to use plain beads, except if you want to customize it to a customer's taste. So you can use any bow on it. That's what I'm supposed to do, but then my daughter wanted pink and white because she loves pink and white beads a lot. So that's why I have to do this like that for her. So in the description box, I'm going to talk about how to price it, or maybe I'll do a separate video on this. It's quite profitable, very, very profitable. Don't look at the fact that braids are expensive. These things go for as high as 10,000 to 12,000 naira over here in Nigeria. Yes, double of this, not single one though. Double of it goes for 11,000, 12,000 naira. Yeah, I'm gonna do a cute. I put in the liners to make it look cute for her. Wow, don't you love the final results? If you love it, please drop a like and a comment. So see you guys till our next video. Bye bye.